Hi everyone, I'm Asha from TheLemonGinger. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. Here I've come with another easy and yummy recipe that you can make in another just around 15-20 minutes, and it is tomato fries. If you're new to this channel TheLemonGinger, please subscribe to it and press the bell for the notifications. With very few ingredients, you are good to go for this yummy and super easy tomato fry recipe. It's perfect for a busy weekday dinner. So let's see how tomato fry is made. Set the stove on medium flame and keep a kadai or a pan on it. And once the pan or the kadai turns hot, pour 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And once the oil is warm, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 dried red chilies, half an inch of ginger peas. You can cut it in any forms. I have taken it like this. Now 3 green chilies and a few curry leaves. Give a stir for a couple of seconds. Adjust the flame accordingly if needed. Now we'll add onions. I have taken here 2 medium-sized onions. And I've chopped the onions into thin slices. Now stir the onions until it turns translucent or slightly brownish in color. Once it is done, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Now stir it for a minute or two, just until the raw taste or raw smell of these powders fade away. In between, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends as well. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. I have taken here 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I've chopped it into thin slices. I'm adding salt as needed. Stir it around for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes turn slightly cooked. I'm adding a few more curry leaves in between. More the curry leaves, better the taste. Just as in any other recipe, the curry leaves increases the taste of the food. So here also I'm adding more curry leaves. 1/4 cup of water. And stirring everything together once again. Now leaving it like that for around 2 or 3 minutes, just for the water to boil. Once it is boiled, I'm stirring it again until the water is completely gone. This is for a dried tomato fry, but if you want a little gravy, just take it before the water is completely gone. You can switch off the stove, and that's it. Yummy tomato fry is ready. So as you saw, such an easy and yummy recipe in just around 20 minutes. It was a very yummy side dish for chapati, appam, dosa and all. So if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please leave a comment if you like the video. Until I come with a new recipe next week, stay safe you all and have a very happy and a blessed week. Bye.